Tools. Now that we can keep track of all the latest topics, it's time to learn about the tools. We have a variety of tools at your disposal, and let us highlight that we find the most relevant and useful for you. Starting with TDS Calculator. With this, you can calculate your TDS liability under all TDS provisions. Tax Calculator. With the help of this tool, you can compute your taxable income and tax liability. GST Rate Finder. This tool helps you find the latest GST rate of goods and services along with the respective HSN and SAC codes. E-way bill. This helps you identify the requirement to generate an e-way bill to transport goods between states. Using this tool is quite simple. Just select your originating state, the destination state, and the value of the consignment. Click on Apply and a report will be generated based on the same. This is just an overview. You can select the tools that are most relevant to you and explore them as per your interest.